Hi, and welcome to this week's 2-minute art hack. What have we got for you today? Well, today it's all about composition. So there are some elements in this composition that are okay. There are lots that could be improved. So let's fix 3 right now. Follow me.
So the first thing we're looking at is the skyline, and you'll notice the sky and the ground are actually at halfway each. So to make things more interesting, we're going to move that horizon line down to about a third of the way up the picture. This makes for a more interesting composition because our minds don't like things that are symmetrical. So the next thing we're going to do is this path, which is great for perspective, but it's very straight. So we're going to put a bit of a curve in, so we're kind of leading our eye to the horizon. Next to the trees, they're very even, and they're also perspective-wise, we want them to get smaller in the distance. We also want them to be lighter in the distance. So we're going to lighten up those trees at the back, and then we're going to darken the trees in the foreground. This adds more contrast and also helps with that perspective. Now, we also want to break up the symmetry of these trees a bit. So I'm going to add another tree on the right-hand side so that we've got a bit of overlap and a bit of a difference in between the gaps on the trees. And with this in mind, what we're also going to do is I'm going to change the direction of the tree on the left and make it leaning so they're not all straight. So we've got a variety of spaces between the trunks, we've got a variety of thicknesses, and we've got a variety of tone that's now adding interest to our composition.
I hope you found that was useful. Come along to the Smart Art Academy where the whole Foundations Art course is included in the Academy, so you can dive a little bit deeper into that composition. Like, subscribe, come and join us. See you soon. Bye.